Hello, dear children. Today we are going to start the next chapter of Unit 8, that is The Little Bully. Do you know if of any child who teases other or pushes them around? What would you call such a child? Read this story and see how Hari, a little boy, troubles other children. Children, many children are there who always pushes and tease to other children. Nobody wants to make friend to these type of children. So let us see what happened to these type of naughty children when he always pinches and pushes to other children. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, not so very long ago, there was a small boy called Hari. Although he was not very big, he was strong and he loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him. एक समय की बात है, एक छोटा सा लड़का जिसका नाम हरी था, जो कि बहुत बड़ा नहीं था, वो जो बहुत स्ट्रांग नहीं था, लेकिन उसे दूसरों को टीज करना मीन्स चिढ़ाना. टीज मीन्स चिढ़ाना. He loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him. He always loved to tease them. वो हमेशा उन दोस्तों को चिढ़ाता था जो उसके साथ स्कूल जाते थे. What he loved to do most was to pinch. He loved to do pinch. Pinch, children. In Hindi we are saying it चिट्टी काटना. उसे दूसरों को चिट्टी काटना बहुत पसंद था. He could make a big bruise appear in half a second. He make a big bruise in half a second. He pinched so hardly that there was a bruise appear in half a second. Bruise means जो चिट्टी काटने से स्किन उठ जाती है ना, that is called bruise. Another trick he played was pricking people with a pin. And he also want to prick people with pin. Prick करना means चुभाना. उसे दूसरों को पिन चुभाना भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद था. See how naughty that boy was, this Hari. So you can guess how all the children hated him. They tried pinching him back, but that was no good because he could always pinch harder. Due to this reason only, other children didn't want that boy. They hate him. If they tried to pinch him back, he could make pinch more harder than earlier. दूसरे बच्चे उसकी इसी हैबिट के चलते उसे पसंद नहीं करते थे. अगर वो उसे दोबारा पिंच करते थे हरी को, तो हरी जो है वो और ज़्यादा ज़ोर से उनको पिंच करता था. They didn't like telling their teacher because that was telling tales. वो टीचर्स को भी शिकायत करना नहीं चाहते थे क्योंकि एक स्टोरी की तरह हो जाता था. Tales means story. It so happened that the class went for a picnic to the seaside for a whole day. All the children were most excited. One day what happened? The whole class is going for picnic in the seaside and all the children were very excited. Excited means they are very happy for going picnic. On that day the sun shone bright and all the children were wild with excitement. On that day the sun was very bright and all the children are very happy and they are in very jolly mood. They crowded into the train and sat down, but nobody wanted to sit next to Hari because he always pinched. They all are very excited and they all sit in the train, but nobody wants to sit with हरी बिकॉज ही ऑलवेज पिंच टू अदर्स. वो लोग इतने खुश थे लेकिन कोई भी हरी के साथ बैठना नहीं चाहता था क्योंकि हरी सबको हमेशा पिंच करता रहता था. When they arrived at the seaside, out jumped all the children with a shout of joy. Down to the sands they raced hand in hand, but nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. When they arrived at the seaside, they all out jumped with joy. They just hold their hands together, but no one wants to took Hari's hand. जब वो सी साइड के नज़दीक पहुँचे तो वो लोग खुशी से कूद पड़े. उन सब ने एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ा पर किसी ने भी हरी का हाथ नहीं पकड़ा. Nobody went near him. कोई भी उसके नज़दीक नहीं गया. Harry was angry. He went to a sandy corner near a rocky pool and sat down by himself. हरी को बहुत बुरा लगा, वो गुस्सा हो गया। वो एक बालू के किनारे एक रॉक के पुल के पास बैठ गया अकेला। He took out his lunch and looked at it. उसने अपना लंच निकाला और उसकी तरफ देखने लगा। It was a good lunch. There were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. He would eat it all by himself. He would not offer anything to anyone. His mother gave him a good lunch, and in that lunch there were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches are there, 3 pieces of bread and butter are there, a ginger cake is there, and a bar of chocolate is also there. He would eat it all by himself. उसने सारा खुद ही खाया. He would not offer anything to anyone. He didn't tell anyone to eat it because no one wants to come too near him. So, children, today I will explain these two chapters only. From these two chapters, you pick out at least 8 to 10 hard words and write it in your copy. So, for today, this much is enough. In next class, I will continue the same story and I will explain the next 2 pages of the chapter.